Crazy Cuties, welcome to my channel. My name is Alex from New York Culture Free ME, who loves to play with makeup. If you've been here before, welcome back. Today's video is the Magical Sisters Beauty Collab that I host every other Thursday along with my beautiful sisters slash best friends, Malwish Christine, Emily Nels, Jessica. Today's challenge is using pastel colors. You know, spring is here, basically, and also you got Easter coming at the end of the month for this month, which is interesting because I guess it's a leap year, so it is what it is. But we're gonna have fun. So I'm using two palettes today, which is really rare on the when I'm doing these kind of challenges. But I thought, you know what, since we got pastel, I want to go with really cool tone looks. Really cool tone, because I feel like pastels are very cool tone based shadows anyway, or colors, so on and so forth. So I am using the Jeffree Star palette. He is cruelty free and vegan, if you want to know. But I'm just going to use like very light colors, like really gray tone colors, and then I'm going to use the Revolution Forever Flawless and Soft Butterfly, where these do, sorry about that, these do have pastel colors. Like I said, these are very cool tone shades, and I thought it'd be cool just to play with them. So with these shadows, I really don't have very much pastel colors. I do have like really colors and everything, but really pastel colors I really do not have, because they're really, I don't know, they're really hard to, I don't know, they're very to show up. But since we're just going to go with a gray tone, using gray eyeshadows, I think dark colors with pastel shades work so beautiful. Pastel shades with dark colors work so beautiful, especially with grays, and I'm just like, let's play through. So we're just gonna go ahead and do the eyeshadow base. I'm gonna use the NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk. This is like my go-to base right now, because I usually put this on top of another base, but I don't have another base that would work with this. Like I said, I don't know what, I don't know. I think I'm going with like something like this. We're just gonna go for it. So we're just gonna go with the Jeffree Star palette, because I'm gonna use the gray shades in this. I really like this one. My friend, you know, Christine gave me this because she already had the Jeffree Star when she did she got the mystery box, and she already had this palette, so she just gave it to me. I'm like, hey. I'm actually gonna go for Wednesday, because that's the only gray shadow I'm really going to use, really. But yeah, we're gonna use Wednesday. This gray. Oh, make sure I don't hit that glitter part. But Wednesday is just gonna be the only shade I'll probably be using out of that palette. So we're just gonna go make it simple, because I am going to use the other colors that's already in that palette, in the Forever Flawless palette, and Soft Butterfly. And I'm just going to put this into the outer V and kind of like just shape it a little bit. Usually I kind of angled it up a little bit, but I don't know. I probably will do it anyway, because that's just natural for me to do. These do have like more of a cool tone shades, like I said. Okay. I'm actually going to use Hope. It's this shade right here. We're just going to use this shade just to kind of like this. So just make it more cool. Like these shades I really love. I really love the Forever Flawless palettes. I do want to get some more. I am looking for the other past ones they already came out like a few years ago. It's like, I want the blue one. It's like, yes. It's hard to find them, but there's some ones I'm just like, yeah, I want this, I want that. I like all of them, really. I like the color stories and them, so I highly recommend them. So I'm gonna go for it. And then, since we are going with the white, that I'm actually gonna use this light blue shade because I found this is really pretty and it matches my shirt a little bit. Well, a little bit lighter, but it's okay. I might just go all matte today with these shadows. We're just gonna use this shade called Change, and we're just gonna tap it into a little bit. Now, if you want to use like a white, I might use this shimmer that's next to it called Fly, because that's a really pretty shade. So we'll see. And have that blend. It's hard to tell with these shades. Like, pastel shades are really hard to work with. Not really work with, it's just hard to really pastel. But we're definitely gonna have to add shimmer to this because that doesn't really look like anything white, to be honest. But it's okay. Okay, then we're gonna use, yeah, we're gonna use Fly. This Fly is this pretty shimmer right here. Like I said, these are like, I love when it comes to pastel shades, especially this palette. You could just use with any palette you want to use and everything, and just add whatever you want to add. I really do like this. It's like kind of a little soft pastel color. I think it is. So I am going to add a little bit gray at the bottom of the lashes because I feel like it needs it. We're gonna go back to Wednesday color, and then we're just gonna go with this. And okay, I like that. And then we're gonna put some mascara on. Of course, the volumizing one. Okay, that's really pretty. I'm like here looking at my monitor right now to see how it looks, and it's so pretty. I really do like this. I need to play with more grays with some bright colors. I think that's going to be one of those things I'm going to be trying out, I guess. But I really do like it. I wish that pop of blue was more, but I'm thinking it's because of the brush that I've used and everything. But yeah, I really do like it. So I'll be right back with the finished look. So this is the finished look. Very pastel a little bit. I think considers pastel since I used a light blue that didn't really show up. Like I said, I think it's just the brush that I've used a little bit. I think that's just a user error on my part, not the shadow itself. But other than that, I really do like this look. I think it's a nice springy look for the season. But yeah. So if you do like this look, make sure to hit the like button so I know you like this kind of videos and like these kind of challenges that me and the girls have come up with. And of course, make sure you hit the subscribe button if you want to be part of the Crazy Cuties clan. We're drama free and judgment free here. We welcome everybody here. And of course, make sure the notification bell so you get notified of any new videos that I upload. I do go live every Mondays and Wednesdays at 12 p.m. and on Fridays at 9 p.m. Make sure you check out the ladies, Manwish Christine and Lumina Nails. Lumina Nails always does something beautiful with her nails, and of course Christine comes up with a beautiful look. I will have their YouTube channel down below so you can check them out, and make sure you tell them I said hi and everything. But yes, so I hope you have a wonderful day or night wherever you're at. I love you and God bless. Bye.